Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the upper radiator hose on this 2008 BMW 328i. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and also I'll have Amazon links in the description below. First thing you do is pop your hood. And you can see mine broke right here, and so I'm actually really low on coolant and I don't need to drain mine. If you do need to drain yours, there's a couple options. There is a drain at the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side corner over here. Or you can come over here and pop off the lower radiator hose down here at the bottom. Both of those things, you'll need to remove the plastic splash guard down there. Now, first we're going to have to take out these wire clips here. So you basically just pull these back like this. And then you can slide these fittings off. You might have to wiggle them a bit and wiggle and pull at the same time, but you should be able to get these two to where they come off. I did forget to mention you probably have one of these here that you'll have to pull out, and it has clips on the side here. You just basically wiggle that loose and pull that out. But after you get both sides freed here, you're going to kind of push this under here and wiggle this over, and you're going to have another wire clip on the bottom of this hose down here. There we go. So you'll be able to see it right there. So we're going to pull that wire clip out. When you've got that one pulled out, you're going to hold the hose down here and wiggle and pull this whole upper hose right out. It'll also be helpful to unhook this line right here. There's a clip there and a clip there. Now you're going to need to take this hose off. There's a good chance you don't have one of these hose clamps like I have, and that you have a fitting that looks like this. To get this off, well, to get this one off, what I found to work was to take a small screwdriver like this, and you're going to basically push it up under here and twist the screwdriver and try to like pry this up. You see how I've kind of bent this tab up a little bit, and you're trying to basically push it that way over top of this little clip right here. And then once you get it off the top of there like that, then you can just basically pull this off, and then you'll be able to pull this loose and have your upper hose out. I would recommend, you're not going to be able to put this back on if you pry it off like that, at least probably not. So I would recommend getting one of these little hose clamps like this. Alright, there's the new hose. I'll have an Amazon link down in the description below, an affiliate link where you can get one of these if you want on Amazon. This is the Gates part number, I believe. So what you're going to do to reinstall this, put that hose down there, hook it on there first. Make sure you've got the wire clip pulled out. Once you get it pushed all the way on, push the wire clip back in. Then put it on this one here, the upper one to the block, and then last, hook your hose back up with a new hose clamp. There are little notches that you need to line up for all of these connectors here. And then you can just put everything back together the way you took it apart. If this video was helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, and thank you for watching.